Hi, welcome dear students to first video of chapter 3rd. Today you will learn how to create and format a table in MS Word. Okay, so that data can be presented in a tabular form and is easy to comprehend. Okay, so first of all, you can see here the table structure. So table, what is a table? Say table is a combination of see rows and column. Okay, so you can see here the column column are the vertical section of the table. No, you can see here the columns, the vertical section of the table, and rows. And what is the rows? Rows are the horizontal section of the table. You can see here the image, the first row. So this is horizontal section of the table, and you can also find here the cells. So cells, what is the cells? Cells are the individual square. This is the individual squares in which you will place text, image, or graphics. Okay, you can enter text here. Okay, you can enter information here. So you can see here the able to see columns, rows, and cells. Okay, so a table in a word can contain as many as 63 columns, but the number of rows is unlimited. Okay, so you can format the table in any way you want. Okay, okay. Now you can see here, so what is the table? Basically just as a grid. Okay, so you can see here the column, this is the vertical section of the table. Rows, this is the horizontal section of the table, and cells, this is the boxes. You can see the rectangular box, box. So individual cells where you can uh, contain text, you can place text, image, or graphics here. Okay, so table you have learned what is table, what is columns, rows, and cells. Now learn how to create a table in MS Word, Microsoft Word. So there are several ways to create a table, insert a table in MS Word. Okay, some of them are graphic grid, insert table, and draw table methods. So how will you able to insert a table, create a table in Word? First of all, open a document. Okay, Microsoft, you will get the MS Word in under the MS Office, in which you want to add a table. Place the cursor at the position here you want to create the table. You can see here the example. So you go to the first of all the insert step 1. You can see the insert, first insert tab, click on the insert tab, and find the table icon on the left side. So you can see here the table icons. Okay, table icons on the left side. You can see arrow mark here, you can see. Okay, now click the down arrow under the table here, you can see. Okay, top down arrow. So click the top left corner of the grid and drag the mouse to highlight the number of columns and rows you want in the table. Okay, so first of all, click the insert tab and click on the table icon to open the insert table drop down menu. So here you can see this menu contains a grid, so the grid structure here, and click on the top left corner of the grid and drag the mouse to highlight the number of columns and rows you want to the table. Okay, so now you can see here, drag over the grid to select the dimension of your table, number of rows and columns, then click to the insert to the table. Okay, so the table appears in the document, and you can see the tabs appear on the ribbon under the table tools. They are table design and layout here, no? Table design and layout. So on the layout tab, you can change the height and width of the cell, rows or columns, insert additional rows and columns, or you can also delete additional rows and columns, and you can merge. You know what is merge? You can just combine two cell into a single, two to more than two cells. Okay, so in this way, use the table design and layout tabs to style the table the way you want to it look like. You can see in the examples, you can see in the image here, so how to insert, how to create a table using the grid, graphic grid. Okay, so this helps you to design a table. You can design, you can also modify the table, you can, as per your requirement, you can merge the cells, you can also delete the column, additional rows and columns. Okay, I hope you understood how to create a table in Microsoft Word. Okay, thanks for watching.